Man, I am filthy just from sanding. All right, I have 2 cleavers up to polishing stage. And I'm gonna find a wood that's long enough to go on both of these. I haven't decided what yet. As a matter of fact, I think I'm gonna stop and go look right now, see what I have that I could use. Okay, I have a giant block of desert ironwood. I'm just gonna have to go ahead. I don't know why I was saving it for some special project, but I guess this is it. So I may even cut enough to go on this last one because they are really big handles. They're, about 7 inches, and the longest wood I have is 6 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up tomorrow, first thing. Have a good Sunday, y'all. So just when you think things have finally settled down and you've got all your little problems smoothed out.
Don't tell me.
No, I'm talking to YouTube, hon. Thought we had this took care of. Went to the doctors with the last bill they sent me, and they said, "Oh, you shouldn't have got that. Yeah, that's a mistake. We'll take care of that." That was 4 weeks ago. So now they're threatening me. God.